COVID-19 has had a huge impact globally, and that's obviously felt by businesses. The future of work has already changed. Transformation projects have accelerated this. With more people than ever working from home, businesses have had to find new and innovative ways to connect and engage with clients and staff. The way business itself is done nowadays, the key and core business processes, many things about the workplace have already changed forever. I don't think the pandemic has necessarily caused this, but I do think it's exponentially accelerated a shift that was already happening. But now it's gained momentum, there's still more to be done. There are lots of quick fix sticking plaster solutions out there. All of these will need to be hardened, and many more manual processes will need to be digitised and optimised to future-proof business. But whilst all of this needs doing, it has a cost, and at a time when businesses are hurting the most, that's not easy to bear. IT leaders will necessarily need to think differently about what constitutes an essential IT project. From now on, IT projects are going to have to show a strong and measurable ROI. Businesses can either continue patching up legacy systems or they can evolve to a more agile, augmented way of working. Essentially, the choice is either to effectively freeze in time and continue looking at the short term, or to look to the future, think long term and really thrive. Intelligent automation is the key to long-term evolution and agility, and it will help businesses pull away from their less advanced competition over the next few years. Of that I'm in no doubt. First and foremost, intelligent automation isn't a single thing. It's a name given to a collection of modern, agile and smart technologies. It's business process management, business applications, records management, artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital workers, or bots if you like. It's also important not to lose sight of the fact that the I in IA isn't all about artificial intelligence. A significant part of the intelligence is human. The human workers that interact with the technology, those that train the bots, those that write the software, those that create the systems, and those that interact with all of those constituent parts. Intelligent automation is both an ecosystem and a vision. But most importantly right now, it's an enabler and one that can help you thrive in a post-crisis world. IA technologies are properly plug and play, they're easy to connect, they play along nicely with other systems. The cost of entry is low, typically a fraction of the average IT implementation cost. Impactful results are quickly visible, usually exponential. These technologies are typically low code. They're easy to change. They can be adapted to a rapidly changing business. They're quickly deployed, available anywhere, anytime, and on any device. And they thrive on data and will readily expose or consume data to give enhanced insight and analytical capabilities. Just what you need in a pandemic. When implemented well, intelligent automation should quickly increase productivity, it should reduce risk and enhance visibility for human participants, and it should do that within a matter of weeks. It's scalable and agile, and when used in conjunction with human workers, the potential long-term upside is exponential. If a company wanted to start their intelligent automation journey, the first thing I'd advise anybody wanting to implement IA is have vision, have drive, have ambitious goals. Understand at a high level what you want to achieve, but don't make it a rigid plan. Have an open mind. Be flexible, because your goals will change and your assumptions about the technologies may be wrong. Understand that IA is an ecosystem of tools. There's no one size fits all, and there isn't always a right and a wrong way to achieve results. Be informed about the constituent technologies and delivery methods, in particular business process management, low-code platforms, robotic process automation, and agile delivery methodology. Choose your vendors and choose your delivery partners wisely. I can't emphasize that enough. Low code and agile delivery are fantastic accelerators, but knowledge and experience will make all of the difference. True partners will gladly share and impart both to get you up and running and developing your own internal capability. One of our most recent clients, in fact, a current financial services client, they came to us with a multitude of problems to resolve. They had global offices, teams distributed both by function and geography, all of which were very good at what they did within their own spheres. But they were all using a combination of emails, manually updated spreadsheets, and off-the-shelf systems, none of which integrated very well and left a fragmented data landscape. So confusion, essentially. The answer was a unified case management solution. This provided a single view of customer and managed the workflows and interactions of all the teams and their touch points with each customer. That solution resulted in significant efficiency gains and cost savings by automating some of the manual processes and obsoleting some of the legacy systems. But the story doesn't end there. That initial project was merely establishing a base camp, a pattern and a platform for future innovation and further gains. And therein lies the power of intelligent automation and its truly transformative impact. Presensol is first and foremost an enabler. We are here to help clients with their intelligent automation needs. With a long history of implementing successful low-code and automation projects, we're long-term partners with best-of-breed vendors such as Appian and Automation Anywhere. And we're more than just consultants. For us, every engagement is a partnership. We like to think of ourselves, we want to be partners in your future success.